In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add live chat on Shopify. Shopify Inbox. By the end, you'll have a live chat bubble on your storefront, so shoppers can message you in real time, and you can reply from your admin or your phone. Start by signing in to your Shopify admin. From the left-hand menu, click Apps. This is where we'll find and add Shopify's live chat tool. In the Apps page, use the search field and start typing Shopify Inbox. As you type, Shopify will highlight matching results to make the right app easy to spot. From the results, click the Shopify Inbox listing. It's the official free chat app from Shopify, and you'll typically notice a strong star rating next to it, which is a good confirmation that you're on the right page. Once you're on the app listing, click Install. Review the permissions if prompted, then confirm. Installation only takes a moment, and you'll be taken straight into the Shopify Inbox setup area. Here, you'll see an option to get the Inbox mobile app. Click Get Inbox mobile app. This is important because it enables push notifications on your phone, so you can respond quickly even when you're away from your computer. Follow the prompt on screen to grab the app on your device when you're ready. Back in the Inbox setup screen, look for the highlighted section that takes you to your online store chat settings. Click that to proceed. You'll now see the option to enable the chat widget on your storefront. Click Turn on Chat. Shopify will open your theme editor with the chat app embed ready to activate, so you're just one step away from going live. In the theme editor, confirm the live chat is toggled on, then click Save. Saving publishes the chat bubble to your storefront, so visitors can start conversations immediately. If you don't see it right away on the live site, refresh. Try a private or incognito window, or clear your cache, as theme changes can take a few seconds to appear. That's the full setup. Your store now has a live chat bubble powered by Shopify Inbox, and incoming messages will appear in your admin and on your phone if you've installed the mobile app. From here, you can personalize the experience anytime by adjusting your greeting, business hours, and quick replies within Shopify Inbox. And you can revisit the theme editor if you want to fine-tune where the chat appears on your storefront. Most importantly, make a habit of responding promptly. Fast replies build trust and can dramatically improve conversion. You're all